Elevate your lifestyle with this gorgeous contemporary condo in the heart of the Pearl District. Nestled on the 18th floor of the Cosmopolitan Building, this location is a walker's paradise, near gourmet restaurants, coffee shops, grocery stores, and scenic parks. This desirable northeast corner unit features modern, high-end finishes throughout and panoramic river, mountain, and city views from every angle. The second bedroom is thoughtfully transformed into a home office so you can soak in the views. The chef's kitchen features a large quartz island, Miele appliances, and sleek cabinetry. Enjoy morning coffee or your favorite cocktail from the covered balcony. The primary suite has views of its own. Custom built-ins, a large walk-in closet, and a beautiful bath. There's also a full second bathroom. And a private laundry room. Enjoy luxurious amenities, including 24-hour concierge service, a spacious community room for your entertaining needs, plus a top-of-the-line fitness center, and a lovely patio, private suites for guests. And it also comes with an owned prime parking spot and private storage. Get ready to fall in love with this captivating contemporary condo. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.